Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a beauty tool that I've been kindly sent from the lovely people at Hollywood Browzer. This is a collaboration video, so it's a sponsored video. They kindly sent me this to try out and I'm excited to use it and show you all what it's about. So basically, the Hollywood Browzer is a painless, free hair removal. So what it is, it's a little blade and you can get them in a set of one, you can get it in a set of two. The set of two comes in a little bag, like a on the go, like little bag, so you can pop them in and you can take it in your handbag with you. It comes with a little leaflet, and in this leaflet it tells you everything you need to know about this product. So it's going to tell you where you can use it on your face, how to use it and what it does and everything, all the features and benefits of this product. So I'm just going to give you a little rundown of what it is and what it's all about. So as I say, it's a little blade and it gets rid of any unwanted hair that you want. So you could use it on your brows, you could use it on your upper lip, your chin, cheeks, you could use it on your toes because we all get toe hair. You know, you do get toe hair, I get it. Finger hair, you can use it on your sideburns, which I hate my hair here, and like any like uneven like hair on like your forehead and stuff. You could use it on your bikini line. You could even use it on your legs. So do you know when like you're going on a night out and you've not had time to shave your legs, just use the Hollywood Browzer and just get rid of the little leg hair. Or if you're anyone like me and you suffer from a lot of hair, facial hair, like I really suffer with quite bad facial hair because I have polycystic ovaries. I don't know if you probably will have noticed in some of my videos, but like especially when the light like reflects onto my face when I've got my makeup on, you can see all the dark hairs like coming through my makeup, which I just hate. And I've always contemplated actually shaving my face with a razor, like seriously, but obviously I don't want to be doing that because, you know, razors cut and stuff and you can get rashes from using razors and stuff like that. Now a lot of people are probably thinking, is this product going to make my hair grow back thicker, darker? No, it's not. It's just like when you get your face waxed. We all get our face waxed. You get your eyebrows waxed, your bikini waxed, you get your legs waxed. Honestly, people think that when you get your legs waxed or anything waxed that the hair is going to grow back thick and darker, and that's just a myth. It honestly doesn't, like really, it honestly doesn't. So yeah, it's not going to do that. And again, it's painless. You don't have to like wait for an appointment at the beautician to get your eyebrows done. You can just shape your eyebrows and make them nice and shaped as good as new, and literally takes seconds. So yeah, I'm going to demonstrate this for you and then I'm going to pop on my makeup after so that you can see what it is like to wear your makeup after you use this, because it's perfect for applying your makeup to get rid of your peach fuzz, get rid of your fuzzy hair off your face, get rid of your hairy face. And once you remove all the hair off your face, then you're going to have nice, smooth, soft skin because it exfoliates as well. It exfoliates the skin, gets rid of all the dead skin cells and everything, so that you're going to have an even makeup application and your skin's going to feel nice and smooth. So I'm going to test it out and I'm going to apply my makeup and we'll see what it's like. So yeah, if you want to see me use this beauty tool, the Hollywood Browzer, and you want to see, you know, how I apply my makeup afterwards and stuff, then just keep on watching, guys. Okay, so I took it out the packet. So this is what it looks like. I do apologise, my hands are disgusting, my nails are horrible. But yeah, it's literally a blade, look. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't cut or anything, it's really good. But yeah, so it's going to remove hair in seconds, it's painless, it doesn't leave any red marks, no redness whatsoever. It's affordable, it's more affordable than getting you any kind of hair removal. And the good thing about it is you can do it at home. So I'm just going to zoom in and show you. You can see my eyebrows are really, really bad. And the shape is just, yeah, not good. So when you're using the tool, you just need to make sure that you're pulling your skin nice and taut so that it's easier. But as you can see, it's just so good. So I don't know if you can see, it just looks so much better already. Like, look at that brow compared to that one. And it's the same for like when you're shaving your face as well. So you're just going to make sure that you pull the skin nice and taut, and it's just, you're just going to glide and shave down. Perfect. And also make sure it's a 45-degree angle as well. Look at that, guys. To get it on the camera, but I don't know if you can see all the hairs there. Look at that. So many hairs. That is crazy. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god. We're just going to zoom back out because that is just really scary close. Wow, oh my god, I'm not even joking. This side of my face feels so soft. Oh my god, I'm actually shook. I'm so impressed by that. That is just amazing. I'm going to try and put it against there so you can kind of see. But look at all the hairs that I've struck off my face. Loads. Mental. Honestly guys, I'm not even just saying this. My face feels so smooth on this side. Like, just, oh my god, like, my makeup's now going to go on so much smoother and like more flawless. Just so impressed with that. Like, I cannot even tell you. I'm so happy. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave this side that I've just done, obviously, and then this side I've not done. Oh my god, I heard the rain. Oh, that is so bad. It's so bad out there. Sorry about the rain, guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my makeup like I normally would. I'm going to do my makeup, put my foundation and stuff, and then I'm going to leave this side unshaven just to see if I can feel like the difference of my makeup and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to go camera, put some makeup on, and I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. Okay, so I've just put the camera back on because I thought I'll come and show you now, put a bit of foundation on. But I'm not even joking, like, my skin, it just feels so good. And my makeup feels so much, like, my makeup's gone on so much better. It just feels much better. And my skin looks so much more flawless than this side. And I don't know why I've never, like, discovered this before, because, oh my god, I would have used it a long time ago. I'm not just saying this, guys, but honestly, I'm literally obsessed with it. Like, oh my god. So I tried to put my makeup on with a brush and then I'm just going over with a beauty blender, but my makeup just feels, oh, it just looks so good. Yeah, so I'm just going to put some, like, I'm just going to do, like, my full face off camera. And then I'm going to come back on and just tell you my honest opinion and views on it. But so far you can tell that I'm absolutely obsessed with loving it. But I just wanted to zoom in and show you again with my foundation on what it looks like. If you can, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we'll just see. So this is the side that I shaved, and then this is the side that I've got all the hairs in. Look, there you can see there, really big patch of dark hair. The lighting in here is horrible. I just look so ghostly right now, but I just wanted to show you this. Really dark hair, no hair. All gone. Okay, so I'm back. I've just put simple makeup on. I've not put anything fancy, just a little makeup on. But yeah, oh my god, honestly, like I said, I'm not just saying this, I am really amazingly super shocked, super shook. I'm so impressed. I absolutely love it. I just only wish that I'd like known about this sooner, because I have heard about them, but just like obviously I never like bought them or anything or invested in something like this. But I definitely recommend it. The Hollywood Browzer. I will leave all the links to their website and stuff so you can check out their products down below if you fancy. They do them in all different colours, and you know what, like top makeup artists use these to get like flawless skin for their clients, you know, so the makeup goes on easier, and I am just going to be using it all the time. Like, I'm not even joking. I 100% feel a difference. Like, it just feels so good. And like, if you was to take a picture, like quite zoomed in with the flash on maybe or something, you would probably see all the little hairs, peach fuzz on your face. But if you're going to use this, you won't. You'll just see smooth skin. And obviously I've not like completely finished everything. I want to get like more of the eyebrows. My sideburns gone and everything, but I think I'm just going to use this like everywhere. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It was a really different kind of video for me, and I've never done like a proper like review video. I've never like reviewed a beauty product, and do you know what, I've really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button, because it will honestly mean a lot to me, and it'll help me out so much. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please make sure you do subscribe. Hit the little subscribe button down below or somewhere on the screen here, and also make sure that you click the little notification bell, because then you will get a notification every time I upload a video. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.